Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Sienna. Now, this is a 7-passenger minivan in blue, driving on 18-inch wheels. Now, some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a camera in the front bumper there in the center. You also get 2 cameras underneath the side mirrors and 1 in the back, giving you a 360 camera view, which we will see more inside. Other great features includes a proximity smart key system, power liftgate, and power sliding doors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it is easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Now with this Sienna, you also get heated mirrors and a blind spot monitoring system. Inside the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with your memory seating presets right next to the handle there. You have some storage on the bottom. Some of the features you have next to the door includes your parking assist, where you can turn those sensors on and off, along with your heated steering wheel. Now inside, the Sienna comes equipped with brown leather seating and all-weather mats. Take a look at the top here. You do also get a power moonroof. This Sienna is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and push the start button right behind the steering wheel there. Starting with the steering wheel features, you have your audio controls and hands-free calling on the left side. On the right side, you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display, where we can also see on the bottom the Sienna has 52,422 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, right now we are on the home screen, where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. You do also have your navigation map on the right side, which you can press and that will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio here, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect through USB and Bluetooth. Now, going into reverse, on the left side you have that direct backup camera view, and on the right side you have the 360 bird's eye view like we mentioned earlier. Underneath that is the climate control settings. Up top, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides, and you also have this little dial for the temperature for the passengers in the back there. On the bottom, we have some storage and cup holders. Some of the features you have here includes your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your 12-volt outlet. You can also press this little piece here. You got 2 extra cup holders as well. Like I also mentioned, this Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can hold that left button on our key fob. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the brown leather. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Rear passengers also have their own Blu Ray player, along with their own power moonroof as well. The second row seats do fold down. There's a little handle in the middle here. We can pull that upwards. The seats will fold. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, along with a heated steering wheel, dual moonroof, navigation, and a 360 camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest, Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.